Morning, everyone. Our next destination is Srinagar. Well, this was our property where we stayed. This was our room, and here they are ready. So it's all loaded, and we are off to Srinagar now. And it's 322 kilometers from here. Now we are feeling a bit relaxed because there's no much of heat now. So we'll talk on the road. See you. Okay. So here we start our journey. Bye bye Pathankot, and see you Srinagar. Time right now is 7 o'clock in the morning, but I think so we are decently departed from this place in Pathankot. Pathankot is a very nice small city in Punjab, and it's 100 odd kilometers for Jammu and around 322 kilometers to Srinagar. That's precisely our stay where we would be staying tonight, and tomorrow's destination would be Kargil. So we have to just take a U-turn. We have to go the other way. So the roads are beautiful in Punjab. We could have not made it if the roads were this good, and Punjab, you guys are good because we were confident in riding because of the driving discipline you people have. You give a blinker and they give you way to go. You honk at them and they will let you go. No uneven cuts from the four-wheelers. Trucks are also in a small numbers here on this road. Yeah, so this was the hotel what we stayed in. It was good. It was pretty neat and clean. Okay, so that's for it now. We have started ascending the ghat. I think so it's a small ghat, not too much. Srinagar calling us, and we'll have fun there. And here we are guys, entering Jammu and Kashmir. Feels great to see the tri color. Okay, the moment of truth. We have entered Jammu and Kashmir. This is a nice feeling. It's not hitting us hard yet because it will only do when we see the mountains, the white mountains, the snow covered. That seriously hits different. I see a lot of tourist vehicles now. Suddenly things seem to be very different from than what we had all this time. We had people, a lot of people, but not the tourist kinds. Now from here we believe that we are going to see a lot of tourists. And strangely, from the time we have started from Bangalore till now, we have not even seen a single rider. Forget about a group of riders, not even a single rider. It was only we both. It was very strange. Even if you would have seen one or two riders, but that was not the case. Not even a single rider. At least from Delhi we expected that we will see some riders, because a lot of people start from Chandigarh or Delhi. Maybe they start on weekends, but we did not see any. So Sanju has, I guess he has missed the road, because there was a very small lane next to a flyover which we had to take a diversion and take right. Now I've sent him my current location and I'm heading ahead, because obviously when you're going to Srinagar you expect the road to be wide. So even I had done that, but I kept my eye on the maps and I understood that I've taken a wrong route. So right now I am on the right route and it shows me 265 kilometers, and for Sanju it is showing 322 kilometers. So obviously this is the right way I am going. I have shared him the location. He will join me directly at a stop where I will stop for a break. We haven't had breakfast yet. Okay. So I've taken a small break. Let me have breakfast. Sanju is on the other road. संजू को बता रहा है 60 किलोमीटर और मुझे बता रहा है 30 किलोमीटर, लेकिन रास्ता पीछे बहुत ख़राब था. एक फुट के क्या कहते हैं उसको, गड्ढे बने हुए हैं. तो वेरी टायरिंग. आई थॉट 30 किलोमीटर्स कवर करके उधमपुर में रुक जाऊंगा, लेकिन थक गया. तो यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट खाने रुके हैं और ये रहा मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट, ऑमलेट. ये कोई छोटा सा गांव है जिसका नाम है बनवाला. यहाँ पे रुका हूँ. ये मेरी गाड़ी है. अभी नाश्ता करता हूँ, एक चाय पीता हूँ और आगे निकलता हूँ. संजू को मैं सीधे उधमपुर में मिलूँगा. गाड़ी भी धोनी थी मुझे. लेट्स सी उधमपुर में या फिर श्रीनगर में जाने के बाद घूमने निकलेंगे तो फिर टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. तो सोचा कि अगर संजू का वेट करना पड़े तो वहीं पे कहीं तो देख के गाड़ी धुला दूँगा. अभी खा लूँगा अपना नाश्ता, चाय पीऊँगा एक और चलते हैं. श्रीनगर यहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट 190 किलोमीटर्स होगा, तो पहुँच जाना चाहिए हमको. 3 बजे के अंदर पहुँच जाना चाहिए. See you. As I wait for Sanju, I thought I'll just get my bike washed, and luckily I got a diesel wash person. भैया ब्रेक पैड पे थोड़ा संभल के, ब्रेक नहीं लगेगा फिर. So getting this cleaned and I am happy that it is going to be clean now. It's a different pleasure altogether to ride a clean motorcycle, though I know that it is going to get dirty again and the road ahead, but still we have Bar daily ride, so I can do that for my companion, my bike. Guys, just look at the view. In the arms of the mountains. पहाड़ों में आते ही मेरा दिल खुश हो जाता है भाई, बहुत. I am a mountain person. पहाड़ी आदमी. Nice highways. It's one-way highway. Okay, so when we are leaning the bike, we are sure that there is no vehicles coming from the opposite side. आपको देख के खड़ा हो गया मैं. We are now in the arms of the mountains of Kashmir. We are still not close to Kashmir, but yes, 160 kilometers to Kashmir, Srinagar, and the vibes have started already. And just to show you this tunnel, oh my god, I just missed it. Shrine Shri Tunnel Way Limited. Oh my god. This is our first tunnel, and this is just beautiful. This is so okay, I gave him a thumbs up. Now it's a beautiful tunnel. There's good lighting inside. I hope the camera does justice. Yep. See you in the other side of the tunnel. Because of which the traffic is jammed. अरे यार, क्या मजाक लग रहा है क्या? फिर पीछे देख के यहाँ पे लेफ्ट आ रहा है, उसको फ्लैशर मार रहा हूँ मैं, फिर भी यूपी का रहेगा. ओके, द टनल इज रनिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 10 minutes. This is so huge, and it's so हाँ भाई, क्या 153 kilometers बता रहा है. So we are on the right, and anyways we are going to the capital of Kashmir. तो टनल देख के आप डर रहे हो. डबल डिजिट अभी है ना, 89 किलोमीटर ना, और लंच के लिए रुके और सोचा कि बस दाल चावल रोटी आगे भी वही मिलेगी, पराठे अंडे मैगी। सो उससे पहले कुछ जंक लोड कर लिया जाए तो ये रहा हमारा संजू ने क्या इतना ही है बस। हाँ मैंने लिया है, शेयर हेल्प करो, शेयर नहीं हेल्प करो। बाबा आई नो यू हेट मी फॉर दिस। मैंने कभी खाया नहीं अकेले KFC, मुझे आता भी नहीं ऑर्डर करने। रांची जाके ऑर्डर करने देती है, मैं बैठ जाता हूँ, मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आता कि क्या लेना है क्या नहीं। तो नाइस प्लेस, अच्छी जगह है, कोस्टा कैफे एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स तो पहुंचने के बाद श्रीनगर पहुंचने के बाद अभी आज क्या प्लान है हमारा? डल लेक फर्स्ट, उसके बाद लाल चौक। दो ही कर सकते हैं अभी, और ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते इस आदमी की वजह से। चलो